Welcome to Vignan Junior College, Shankarapuram, Kadapa. I am Saujanya. In this video, I am presenting an interesting and useful topic, one-word substitutes. This video is made exclusively for intermediate second year to help them to improve their English vocabulary. Moreover, this topic will be given for 5 marks in the form of matching in your examination. And also, one-word substitutes are helpful to those candidates who are preparing for various competitive exams. So let's move on without further delay. One-word substitutes. One-word substitutes are words that replace a group of words or a sentence. We use one-word substitutes to express ourselves precisely and accurately. So let us discuss some of important one-word substitutes. That first is ambiguous, which means a sentence whose meaning is unclear. So a sentence whose meaning is unclear is said to be ambiguous. And the next word is, so the option is D. And the next word is theist, which means one who believes in God is said to be theist, and the option is C. In the same sense, the opposite of theist is atheist, which means who doesn't believe in God. And the next word is spendthrift, which means one who spends too much money. So we can say a person who spends too much money is said to be spendthrift, and the option is B. The next word is teetotaler, which means one who abstains from taking alcohol. We can say that one who refuses to take alcohol is said to be teetotaler, and the option is E. So the next is philanthropist, which means one who devotes his service for the love of mankind. We can also say a person who seeks to promote the welfare of others is said to be philanthropist, and the option is A. Let me revise once. Ambiguous, a sentence whose meaning is unclear. Theist, one who believes in God. Spendthrift, one who spends too much money. And teetotaler, one who abstains from taking alcohol. Philanthropist, one who devotes his service for the love of mankind.
Vignan Degree College, Shankarapuram, Kadapa. Courses offered by the college are BCom Computers, BSc MScs, means Maths, Stats and Computers, BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration. Classes by 12 most popular lecturers, and you can also listen 10 days free demo classes.
And the next words are monarch, which means one ruler or single ruler, and the option is B. So the next word is temporal, which means off time. So off time is said to be temporal, and the option is E. Next is collaborate, means work together, and the option is A. The next word is interrupt, which means burst, which results in disturbing. So we can say that stopping the work, breaking is said to be interrupt, which means disturbing, and the option is C. So the next word is prejudice, which means to judge before. Judging before is said to be prejudice, and the option is D. Okay, let me recall once. Monarch, one ruler. Temporal, off time. Collaborate, work together. Interrupt, burst, which results in disturbing. Prejudice, to judge before.
If you like our videos, please subscribe to our Vignan Junior College YouTube channel.
Now coming to the next words that we have is pioneer, which means a person who is the first to study and develop a particular area of culture. We can simply say a person who makes the first move is said to be pioneer, and the option is C. The next word is inevitable, which means that which can't be avoided, simply unavoidable. So the option is D. In the same sense, the opposite for inevitable is evitable, which means that which can be avoided. The next word is intellectual, which means a person of good understanding, knowledge and reasoning power is said to be intellectual. And the option is A. The next word is polyglot, which means a person who knows many languages is said to be polyglot. And the option is B. The next word that we have is linguist, which means a person skilled in foreign languages is said to be a linguist. And the option is E. Let me recall once. Pioneer, a person who is the first to study and develop a particular area of culture. Inevitable, that which can't be avoided. Intellectual, a person of good understanding, knowledge and reasoning power. Polyglot, a person who knows many languages. And linguist, a person skilled in foreign languages.
Vignan Degree College, Shankarapuram, Kadapa. Courses offered by the college are BCom Computers, BSc MScs, means Maths, Stats and Computers, BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration. Classes by 12 most popular lecturers, and you can also listen 10 days free demo classes.
Next are versatile, which means one who possesses many talents. We can say that multi-talented and all-rounder is said to be versatile. And the option is B. The next word is epitaph, which means words inscribed on a tomb. And the option is D. The next word is literate, which means one who is able to read and write is said to be literate. And the option is E. The next is autobiography, which means a life history written by oneself is said to be autobiography. And the option is C. In the same sense, a life history written by others is said to be biography. The next word we have is honorary, which means a position for which no salary is paid. We can say unpaid. Okay, let me recall once. Versatile, one who possesses many talent. And epitaph, words inscribed on a tomb. Literate, one who is able to read and write. Autobiography, a life history written by oneself. Honorary, a position for which no salary is paid. And coming to the next words, monorail, which means a train which uses one rail instead of two tracks. Simply we can say traveling on such a beam or a single track is said to be monorail. And the option is D. The next is spectacular, which means impressive enough to be worthy of seeing. We can say eye-catching is said to be the spectacular, and the option is C. The next is egoist, which means who always thinks about self. Simply selfish, and the option is B. The next word we have is conjecture, which means to throw an unproven idea. We can simply say assumption and guessing is said to be conjecture. And the option is E. So the last word we have is synchronize, which means happens at the same time is said to be synchronized. And the option is A. Okay, then let me revise once. Monorail, a train which uses one rail instead of two tracks. Spectacular, impressive enough to be worthy of seeing. Egoist, who always thinks about self. Conjecture, to throw an unproven idea. Synchronize, happens at the same time. Thank you for watching.